That next big cleaning contract shouldn't be held hostage by slow bank approvals. Say yes to the job now and sort out the cash with confidence. Here are 5 ways a simplified funding business line of credit can transform your cleaning company and keep you moving, not waiting. Reason 1. Smooth out your cash flow. Cover payroll, supplies, and fuel while you wait on invoices. Draw only what you need and put the stress on pause. Reason 2. Upgrade and fix equipment fast. From floor scrubbers to vans, you don't have to delay repairs or new purchases when you can access up to $500,000 on tap. Reason 3. Hire and train staff when opportunity knocks. Bring on new cleaners for big contracts or new routes, knowing you can comfortably handle payroll from your credit line. Reason 4. Handle seasonal swings like a pro. Slow weeks, sudden rushes, or emergency cleanups. Tap funds within 24 to 48 hours instead of scrambling for cash. Reason 5. Seize growth opportunities instantly. Launch a marketing push, add a new crew, or expand into another area without reapplying for funding every time you need capital. In short, a simplified funding line of credit becomes your backup plan and growth engine, without mountains of paperwork or endless waiting rooms. Get funded fast with simplified funding today.